now we have the switch, which goes into here. So same deal as before. I'm going to put it down and flip it over. Alright, let's put it in the hole, flip it over. This time I'm only going to solder one of them. There's only 6 pins. I'm just going to solder one. And then I'm going to flip it over and make sure it looks like it's seated correctly. Alright, that looks pretty good to me, so I'm going to finish off my soldering. Same as every time, pick it up, inspect it. That looked good to me, looks like it's nice and strong.